right now I can see the excavator. Oh my god, many toys. Do you like to play with me? Oh, let's go play with me. Oh my god, taking play. Oh yeah. Oh my god, do you like to play? Yes, because oh my god, the accident. Wow, accident. Oh my god. Sorry, that's right. I can see the aeroplane. Oh my god. Look at the yellow aeroplane and magnet. Oh, let's go. Yes. Oh my god. So fast and the accident. Oh, right now again. Oh my god. Wow. How is possible, right? Look. Oh my god. The magnet is under the aeroplane right now. Look. Wow. Car and aeroplane accident. Right? I can see the magnet. Oh my god, look, the car is covered. Oh my god, magnetic car. Oh my god. Oh, right now I can see the magnet is catching the motorbike. Whoa, do you like the motorbike? Yes, do you like? Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, accident. You can see the pretty slowly. Oh my god, that's so nice. Oh, the car, oh my god, baby fast, it is again. Yeah, slowly, yeah, go. Oh my god. Again, oh my god, accident, yes, fast, oh my god, pushed by another truck, right now, oh my god, so how possible, slowly again, go, yes, oh my god. Really, it is so fast, alright, if you like the car video until, oh my god, it's how it go on the truck. Oh my god, the first yes, oh my god, do you like it, yeah. Next is, yes, oh my god, it's so dangerous time. Right now I can see more, oh my god, the bicycle and the car is accident. Right now I can see many toys, right now, and I can show you the magnet. Oh my god, so look at the magnet. How is it? Really? It's crazy, right? Oh my god, yeah, the magnet is jumping, oh my god, and like really, it's so nice, yeah, do you like baby? The next part is the airplane and the car, oh my god, it's crazy, yeah,